In this video, we're diving into how to tag and sort high priority deals automatically. If you're tired of manually categorizing your deals, stick with me because I'm going to show you an efficient way to automate this process, saving you time and effort while ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. To start, let's talk about why tagging and sorting high priority deals is so important. Whether you're managing leads or handling customer accounts, staying organized is key. With the right automation, you can ensure that your high priority deals are always front and center, without needing to constantly check and recheck them. First, let's look at how to set up automated tags in the software we're using today. Begin by creating custom tags based on deal criteria. For example, you might want tags like urgent, follow-up needed, or high-value client. These tags are your shortcut to organizing your deals without manually sorting through them every time. Next, set up triggers based on deal activity. For example, you can use triggers like when a deal moves to a certain stage or when the deal reaches a set value. This way, as soon as a deal meets your criteria, it gets tagged automatically and you don't have to lift a finger. Now, once the deal is tagged, it's time to sort. Sorting high priority deals is just as important as tagging them. Set up automated workflows that will pull all your tagged deals into one central location. You can even configure filters to sort these deals based on other criteria, like deal value, urgency, or deal stage. This makes it easy for you to focus on what matters most and ensures nothing is missed. Here's a quick tip. Set up notifications to alert you when a deal is tagged as high priority. This helps you stay on top of things without constantly checking. You'll get real-time updates and can jump in quickly if needed. This is where our software comes in handy. We've tested a lot of tools, but the software we're using today offers a simple interface to manage tags and automations. The best part? I've linked an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for you to follow along and see how easy it is to set up this automation. Now, a quick recap. Start by creating custom tags that fit your high priority deal criteria. Set triggers to automate the tagging process. Use filters and workflows to sort those deals into one central view and set up notifications to stay updated. Key takeaway: automating your deal tagging and sorting not only saves time, but also ensures you never miss an important deal. Take a few minutes to set it up and watch your productivity soar. Remember, don't miss out on the exclusive free trial linked below. It's only available for viewers of this channel, so make sure to grab it and follow along. Thanks for watching.